An egg on an iron, black caviar made out of paper, gold bread, and a cash salad. Watch the battle of a rich and a poor chef in our new video. Holly decided to buy a new kitchen.
No.
What do I choose? Too traditional. Too minimalistic. Too gray. Here, this one. It's perfect. It's just what I need. Emily decided to bake cupcakes. Whip eggs. Add flour. And mix. Miss, what are you doing here? This is a furniture store, not a cooking show. A customer is about to come and pick up this kitchen. Leave the mixer. Yummy! Holly wasn't expecting anyone. I wonder what he brought.
Wow!
Whoa! It's an invitation to take part in a cooking contest. Awesome! And a signature apron. That's so cool! Emily wasn't expecting a delivery either. Interesting. What's that? Wow! An invitation to a cooking show for me! Oh yeah! I've been dreaming about this! And an apron for all the contestants! It's so pretty! All set, we can begin! Final touches, fixing makeup. Hello guys! Today we'll be making an amazing breakfast out of these unbelievable gold eggs. I need to fry an egg, but I don't have any eggs. Chicken, get to work. Please, hurry up. What egg? Is it that hard? Chicken, honey, want some grass? So, how much longer? Here it is! Finally! What's next in the recipe? Do I need 2 eggs? Oh no! Everything is ready for my luxurious salad. First, I'm gonna chop some cash. Just a bunch. In matchsticks. No way, it's taking too long. I'll leave it like this. Now I sprinkle it with shredded gold to spice it up. And some oil sauce to taste. Enough! Today, I'm gonna make a salty salad made out of salt. I don't have anything else. You can have the best Italian cuisine at home. No, not today. Yummy pancakes for breakfast. Oh no, too many calories. Fresh sushi with Pacific Ocean fish. I love it. Arigato. Enjoy. It smells so good. Cucumber and sausage sushi. And here are my exclusive chopsticks. Use pencils instead of chopsticks. What a great lunch. What an amazing lunch. Grocery delivery. Let's see how fresh your fruit and veggies are. Not bad. I'll take it. Thanks. These fruits will make a great dessert. Hi, I'm about to show you my fridge. Fresh fruit and veggies are my best friends. Whoops, an apple came off. I hope no one figures out it's all made from cardboard. I have something special ready for this zucchini. Here it is, my super case. And in it, oh yeah, it's blinding. My amazing, perfect, wonderful knife. Even a samurai would be jealous of this steel. Hi-ya! a knife, you're supposed to cut everything. I can't do this. This knife is too small for this pumpkin. That's it. I'm giving up. See you. Fresh bread. It's snack time. Some butter. And a spoon of black caviar. This is just a plain old snack made with whatever I could find. Some creativity and a hole puncher create paper black caviar. A layer of butter and a layer of black caviar. It's just like the real thing. Hashtag student life. It's ready! My unique gold bread! Let's see if it's fully baked. You never know for sure with gold. Ow! It's hot! Now I can cut it. It's pretty hard. There you go! It worked!
Wow!
And it smells great! The smell of luxury! So, the bread is ready. Wow! The buns look so nice! I'll have one! Oh! Someone bought my fresh bread! This could be a profitable business! The oven is preheated. Now I just have to wait. I'll play my favorite game. So, who's the imposter here? Oh, all done! What a perfect crust! And the smell! Miss, I have to take the stove back due to your debt. Come back when you have money. What do I do now? I know! An egg fried on an iron is so simple and so smart. The hands of a chef have to be clean. And the towel goes in the trash. Made it! Nice! Fresh fruit. Where does the bag go? Trash! Bullseye! Keeping everything clean is the key. And I can use this paper towel again. I'll hang it here to dry. I can use these bags again too. Thrifty and eco-friendly. Finest hand-picked coffee beans. It smells amazing. Coffee is ready. I just have to sprinkle the milk foam with edible gold. Delicious! Yay! I found instant coffee. I'll have a special breakfast. Something's missing. I need milk. But how do I make foam? I know. I just need to blow on it. This is fun. Except that the whole tablecloth is covered in milk now. It wasn't me. A shaker is a must-have. I'll build up my biceps. Here it is. My perfect foam is ready. Awesome! And a flower, so it looks nice. Olive oil. Pink Himalayan salt will be perfect for my exquisite salad. I have oil. Now I just have to add salt. Oh no! I ran out of salt! What do I do now? It's over for me! Emily, honey, what's wrong? Why are you crying? Don't worry, this is just a salad. You don't have to be so sad. Tears are so salty. Of course, I need more tears. They can totally replace salt. My final task for the contest. My mousse is gorgeous! Let's get to decorating. My amazing Swiss chocolate is already melted. Let's begin. It's important to move precisely. The final touch. I did it! Now I can go to the contest. Yay! That's my masterpiece! It looks yummy! But I'll make it even better with some cocoa powder. Fluffy friend, I'm gonna need your help now. You'll help me win the contest, right? Leave your trace on this masterpiece. You're so talented. My cutie, you are always ready to help. Thanks! It's perfect! This must be something special. I need a chef jacket that's good looking, comfy, and stylish at the same time. Oh yeah, I understand. Let's take your measurements. And done! What do you think? Amazing! Wonderful! My favorite dress. We've been through a lot together. So many nice memories. But there's no other way out. Bye, dress. And hello, my new chef hat. Now I'm ready for the final. The judges are waiting for the contestants. Our legendary 3 Michelin star chef is ready for the desserts. I'm so anxious. My heart is about to jump out of my chest. Both desserts are really impressive. But the first place in this contest goes to Emily and her creative masterpiece. Congrats! Oh yeah, I won! Can't believe it! Yay! And the gold ladle goes to you. This is a huge honor. Good luck. Thanks! It's beautiful! Well done! Congrats! Did you like our cooking battle? Then comment below which chef you like the most. Poor Emily or Rich Polly. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.